Here's your weather video for this Sunday, November the 7th. I'm meteorologist Bill Murray, and I hope you enjoyed that extra hour of sleep last night. If you don't know what I'm talking about, you're probably up too early. We fall back, as you know, as daylight saving time ends, and that ended this morning at 2 a.m. So remember to set your clocks all around the house about an hour, or you're going to be really early to everything. This is temperatures across Alabama early on this frosty morning. 29 this morning in Fort Payne, up in DeKalb County, 31 in Gadsden, lots of 32s across the board. Temperatures in Birmingham 36, 37 in Tuscaloosa, not quite as cold there, but colder in the northeastern part of the state where winds were lighter overnight. Look to the east, you see a lot of rain there along the coast of Georgia and the Carolinas, northeast Florida. That's a big coastal storm that those folks are dealing with, and they've been dealing with them fits really all the way from northeast Georgia into the Chesapeake Bay. Here are watches and warnings off the EDD display from the National Weather Service showing all those coastal flood advisories and warnings there from the Florida coast, along with small craft, gales, storm warnings, all kind of wind warnings all the way there. Also from the Outer Banks of North Carolina down into eastern Florida. So quite a storm causing quite a few problems. Dense fog advisories to our west here in Alabama. And parts of eastern Tennessee, northwestern Georgia, they've got frost advisories, just like we do. Even a freeze warning, widespread frost across a wide area of the southeast overnight, last night, and this morning. In the tropics, we're still tracking Tropical Storm Wanda there, west of the Azores. Top winds 40 miles an hour. It is expected to become post-tropical today. And then that's going to be about it for a while from the tropics. We don't expect to hear much more out of the Atlantic. Here's the upper air pattern across North America showing big trough, the coastal low there to our southeast. It'll be beginning to push to the east slowly over the next couple of days. By tomorrow, you see it hasn't made much progress, but high pressure building over the Great Lakes and ridging down across much of the southern United States, and we'll take it. Here comes midweek. This is Thursday afternoon, showing another big trough developing over Minnesota and the Midwest. That will be our next weather maker, and that system swings into place over Alabama and the Southeast next Saturday. So you can kind of get the picture of what's going to go on from there. Nice weather for midweek, and then some colder weather for the weekend, and that's exactly what we expect today. Mid-60s, beautiful day across Alabama. We'll take it. Even nicer temperatures the next 4 days. We'll be in the lower 70s generally across the area through Thursday, but then temperatures on the roller coaster that we know is autumn will be bottoming out, struggling to get out of the 40s next Saturday. Let's go day by day with the GFS. This shows tomorrow the coastal low there east of Savannah and Charleston. Here in Alabama, high pressure is large and in charge. We'll see mostly sunny skies again tomorrow, just like today. Daytime highs topping out in the lower 70s after overnight lows in the upper 30s to near 40. Move to Tuesday. Coastal low still out there, but here in Alabama, we're high and dry, enjoying beautiful weather again. High temperatures in the lower 70s. Again, lots of sunshine. Partly cloudy skies return on Wednesday as moisture levels begin to rise just a bit and the trough gets itself organized to our west. We'll see, again, highs in the lower 70s. And then by Thursday, we'll be watching a cold front approaching Alabama. Showers and thunderstorms aligned along it. Should be weakening by the time it limps in here late Thursday night, early Friday morning. We don't expect any severe weather from that system, but that will turn us colder. Clearing skies gradually during the day, rain ending on Friday, and temperatures remaining in the 50s all day. And then by Saturday, that trough is in place right over us, the coldest air right near Alabama. We'll see temperatures probably in the 30s Saturday morning, near freezing Sunday morning. High temperatures on Saturday, though, probably struggling to get out of the 40s across the northern half of the state. And then as we go out toward the end of the period, this is Saturday the 20th, our next system. Limping in here doesn't look like it's going to be much. Could be a decent rain producer, but nothing in the way of severe weather showing up over the next 2 weeks. Rain off the operational GFS shows some folks going to get very little. Some folks going to get an inch and a half. That's probably about true. over the next 2 weeks across the area. Don't forget to watch or listen to the Weather Brains podcast, our weekly netcast. It's all about weather. Proud of the group of brains that we've assembled there. Tomorrow night on Monday night, we're going to be talking to the producer of that movie, 13 Minutes. Travis Farncombe. It's going to be a great show. Should be a lot of fun. This movie's going to be a cult classic for weather people for a long, long time. That's Weather Brains. You can get it from all the normal sources where you get your podcast. Watch your weather video for this Sunday, the 7th. I'll have notes on the blog and update on the forecast coming up at noon. James will be back 2 days, all day, every day this week. And Scott will be back next Saturday. I'll see you Sunday. And until I get that chance, as I always tell you, keep an eye to the sky because you'll always have something fun to look at.